This narrow strip of water decides how much you pay for fuel. The Strait of Hormuz between Iran and Oman. The Strait of Hormuz sits between the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman, connecting oil-rich nations to the Arabian Sea and the world beyond. And that is why this tiny stretch of water is one of the most geopolitically significant places on Earth. Just 33 kilometers wide, it carries nearly 20% of the world's oil, around 20 million barrels every single day. And today, it is no longer just a trade route, it's a weapon. In 2019, tankers started exploding here. Ships were hit by limpet mines and drone strikes. The United States blamed Iran's Revolutionary Guard. Why? To pressure the world after the US sanctions crushed Iran's oil exports. The message was simple. If Iran cannot sell its oil, no one moves oil safely. Now fast forward to 2026. The US and Israel strike Iran. Iran responds not just with missiles but by choking the world's energy artery. The Strait of Hormuz effectively shuts down. More than 20 ships attacked, over 150 vessels stranded outside the strait. Oil prices surged past $100, the biggest energy shock since the 1970s. But here is where it gets strategic. Iran does not block everyone, it chooses. Ships from China, India, Pakistan allowed through. Why? Because they didn't join the war against Iran. Even Indian LPG tankers passed safely, but US and Israeli linked ships blocked, targeted, or warned away. This isn't a closure, it is selective economic warfare. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi says, any country except the US and Israel can pass. Trump calls for a naval coalition to reopen the strait. This is no longer just geography, it is leverage. A narrow passage controlling global energy and shaping geopolitical power. To shut the world down, you do not need a world war, you just need to choke one artery.